Hey, Online Academy learners, I just wanted to give you a preview or an introduction to your week 6 work. This week, we are still kind of focusing on the topic of conflict in community, just like we were in week 5, by reading a script from an episode of the Twilight Zone TV series, which was way before your guys' time, but very classic, called The Monsters Are Due on Maple Street. So I'm just going to click into this assignment, kind of explain to you what you're doing here. So you guys will read the attached script right here from the episode, and as you read, you're going to highlight in yellow evidence of conflict in the community, and highlight in blue evidence of how the conflict reacts to, how the community reacts to conflict, excuse me. You may also make comment boxes off to the side just for your general thoughts, questions, observations, etc. The script looks really long, but because it is dialogue, it reads pretty quickly. So just kind of keep that in mind. I think you guys will enjoy it. It's kind of almost a humorous script at first, but then the message behind this is pretty true to life. And that kind of leads me into our next assignment here, themes in literature. We haven't really talked about themes too much yet, but after you guys read, this is my view. Sorry, I'll do the preview here. After you guys read The Monsters Are Due on Maple Street, you're going to click on this link, and it's about a 6-minute video about themes in literature, what a theme is, what a theme is not. You definitely need to watch this video before you answer this question, which is, what is the theme of The Monsters Are Due in Maple Street? So again, you really need to watch that video. It's very helpful to understand what a theme statement is. Next, you have a poem to read by Maya Angelou called Human Family. And in this assignment, there is a quick video to watch just about making connections to our reading. And you can make text-to-text connections, text-to-self, or text-to-world. But this very short video very simply explains that. So as you read Human Family, you are going to make 2 comments with connections, and then you're also going to make a comment with a theme statement just to kind of review that idea of theme that we talked about with The Monsters Are Due on Maple Street. After that, you have a grammar lesson, and it's just basically identifying complete and incomplete thoughts. And honestly, I wish I would have done this last week and then last week's assignment this week. I think they're a little out of order, but I still think this is important. It'll help us identify sentence fragments, and then it will also help us when we get into more of the lessons on semicolons and things like that. So complete and incomplete thoughts. And then lastly, your week 6 digital notebook is connected to your independent reading. And your question is just, so far, who is your least favorite character in your book? And I want you to explain why. Give me some detail as to why they are the least favorite character in your book. And so that's really it, guys. We're kind of, we're getting toward the end of this unit. So really kind of push through. This unit is not overly difficult. It's a lot of your own reflection, a lot of your own storytelling or dialogue. And so hopefully you're doing well. But please, as always, email me with any questions that you may have that pop up along the way, even if they're technical questions or questions about the content, and I will get back to you.